Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to cover new topic date filters in Power BI. So first we upload the data in Power BI desktop. File name is video-16. You have to just click on sheet and click on transform data. So in this data set, for this video we need only one column. So I'm going to remove other columns. Only one column is sufficient. So here you can find date filters. We see these all date filters one by one. Start with the equal. Suppose you have to select date from the first of January 2022. So you have to adjust this using these arrows. Zero one zero one 2022. Just click on OK button and you will get the result. So similarly we will try to apply date filters one by one. Then before, suppose I want to filter data before third month of 2024. So here just click on OK button and you can see we get the output data before 1st March of 2024. After 1 January 2024. Click on OK button and here is the data set. The data after 1st of January 2024. For between, we have to enter two values. I'm going to select 1st of January 2024 and today's date 25th June 2024 and click on A button. So here is the data for current year. In the next, so in this option, in the next we can find, suppose we want to find data after 5 days. So here you can send years, quarters, months, weeks, days, and for if there is a timestamp you can choose hours, minutes and seconds. So first we try on days. Just click on OK button and these are the dates after 5 days, between today and after 5 days. Similarly, date filters. The next, suppose I want to search for the next year dates, next 1 year. Click on OK button and here are two dates for the next year. There is one option, clear filter. You can filter the data, clear filter data from this option also. In the previous, suppose last 1 year data, click on OK. So current year is 25/06/2024 So current year is 2024. So now I get the result and dates from 2023. So here clear filter. Again go to date filters. You can check all the options in the previous. Suppose 1 month. You can try for quarter, months, years, and days. So for last one quarter, previous quarter, you can check one by one all the options. All options are simple, and here is earliest. Next, so this is the earliest date in the week start date column, and exactly opposite to that, you can find first I clear the filter, and then date filters is not earliest. So the dates except that earliest date we can find in this result. Clear filters. Again date filters is latest. So this is the latest date in the data set. Again opposite to that this option we have again go to date filters and is not latest. So except that date we got remaining dates in the expected result. Similarly, year, quarter, month, week, day, hour, these options are also available here. Suppose I want to find, first I clear the filter, then go to date filters, and here I want to search for last year dates. So here we are successfully filter 2023 dates, clear filter, again go to date filters, and in the quarter, suppose I want to filter next quarter dates. So here are the data for the next quarter. Clear filter, date filters. Again go to month. So here we have different all the months we can filter one by one. But I'm going to check for the next month. So here you can see today dated 25/06/2024, and we got the result for July dates. Clear filter, date filters, day. So we check for today. No. So today's date is not present in the dataset. That's why it doesn't show any result. Day, tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow's date is present in the dataset. Clear filter. Also check for yesterday's date. Yesterday. Yes, yesterday is also there. Clear filter. So we have done with these date filters in Power BI. You have to check all the options here. You can find the data file in the description sections. So please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Punya Nagari. Thank you.